Hello, my most beautiful and glamorous besties. Welcome back to my channel. And somehow I've already got a dog hair on this. Imagine that, 2 dogs in the house. Okay, so I grabbed a couple of quick things. That's not the point of today's video, although we are going to use one of these things, but I wanted to show them to you before we get started with the tutorial. So let's go ahead and dig in. I'm gonna set this to the side and we're gonna open this box. And this is the thing that we're gonna use today. I haven't quite picked out the colors yet, but I know I've told you about this group before. It's the Sweet Deal Finders, Codes, Freebies 2. It's the second group they had to make. It is the best group on Facebook. If you're on Facebook still, and if you're on Facebook, groups are really one of the only reasons to be on Facebook anymore. This is a great group and I get so many good things. I got this package of glitters for $4. I want to say $4.86. Let's go ahead and just flip them over so you can see all the colors. $4, guys. Come on. These appear to be pretty full, right? They have a nice amount in there. The color mixes are gorgeous. It looks like there's a mixture of chunky and smaller glitter with also some fine glitter in there. Really digging what they put down here. And what I also enjoy is these little spoons they give you. It comes with 5, but my grandson grabbed them immediately and fell in love, so I let him keep one. And in a glitter mix, you wouldn't necessarily expect a brush, but we have a nice little brush as well. So I'm super excited about these. When I was scrolling through the group and I saw these and I saw them for the price that they were, I really could not resist. Because look at how pretty these are. The shifts in the colors, the combos in the colors. Look at this with the teal and the purple and the pink and the blue. And this heavily purple one, I see lots of cool stuff here for Halloween, for Valentine's Day. I see stuff for Christmas. There is a pretty red and green mix here. These are gonna be great for Halloween and for fall and for what we're gonna do later in this video. So let me stop talking about glitter and let's just take a quick gander at this. This was also from the group, and as soon as I saw it, I've been dying to get some cool really big 3D charms for kawaii nails. So we're gonna do a set for that pretty soon. These are just adorable, which is what the whole kawaii thing is about, being cute. So these are super cute. I love that this is a little Mickey Mouse donut. We've got like this cool candy drop here, suckers, M&Ms, sweets, just all of the cute things. So I'm very inspired by this. I can't wait to do a kawaii set. Okay, so from here on out, it's gonna be voiceover time, and I am just gonna do some work. Okay, it's voiceover Gigi. It's weird to do the voiceover but not start the video. That was weird. That felt weird. So guys, we're gonna use some Fimo fruits today, along with some of those glitters that we got, that I just showed you. The glitters are pretty awesome. Like I said a minute ago, you've got to join that group if you're on Facebook. It's called Sweet Deal Finders, Codes, and Freebies, or just Codes, Freebies 2. It is a great group. You get so many good deals. Christmas for my little grandkids it's gonna be great for them. Like, I'm picking up things, most of it under $20. I got a whole tablet for my grandson for $40. It's all got all kinds of teach you how to use the computer games. So I'm really excited about that, because the quicker they learn that, honestly, the better. And it's so great for your brain. So what we're gonna do here is stop talking about that and use these Fimo fruits. I am just using, each nail is gonna have its own flavor, so to speak, because these nails are going to be sparkling fruit punch. And this particular one is going to be, and I know I've said this on the channel before, I haven't seen it in years, but that drink, grape strawberry mystic. I was in love with that back in the day when I used to actually drink juice. I thought I was gonna try to glitter press it, but then I realized there's a lot of chunky glitter in there and that's not really as effective with a press. So I'm just gonna use those spoons, because that's what they're for, and make a huge mess. And there's that. After this particular fiasco right here where it's everywhere, I get out my little white, I don't know, what would you call it? You're about to see it. What would you call it? I'm opening another glitter here. I probably should have cut this out, but hey, let's just have a chat instead. Sorry, I just got distracted. My grandson lost his phone and he wanted to use my phone to find his phone, which didn't actually work because it looks like whoever found it turned it off, or when he dropped it, it turned off or something. So it sucks that he lost his phone. They were working at Amazon. My grandson works with his mother. She owns a landscaping company here in Las Vegas. So there's a little insight into my family. Impromptu, but what are you gonna do? So I'm just putting the glitter on, and some of it of course sticks to your Fimo fruit, and that's okay because you can just wipe it right off as long as it wasn't sticky with gel. And now we've got limes and lemons and oranges. So I came in with some green in a couple spots, and then we are going to switch over to this orangey goldy color. And all of them have really cool shifts to different colors. So depending on how you're looking at each nail, it looks different. I love this idea. I love doing the Fimo fruits. I'm going to get some different Fimo shapes, because the thing I like about it is that it's the same all the way through. So if you have to file it a little bit, there's a dog barking. If you have to file it a little bit when you're shaping, it's going to look the same no matter what. And you can just come back over with a little builder gel to make sure it's nice and protected. So it's really nice to work with. I like it more than I originally thought I was going to like using Fimos. So there you go. Right now I have all the fruits. Well, maybe not all the fruits, but a lot of the fruits. This one is peach raspberry. I wanted to do different combos of all the fruits so that whatever flavor of punch you might enjoy, you would have an option here. And also I did them all because really these could just be accent nails, but you could do the full set like this. So I really enjoyed it. And then this one is, the pinky nail was so small, I decided not to put any fruits in there and to just put glitter. And I'm good with it. I'm good with that. So because the Fimo fruits really are huge, you could not get away with just top coating this. We are gonna come in with some builder gel. And there is gonna be a tiny bit of filing, but I'm not gonna show you all that because I suck at filing these. And that's why at the end, you're gonna see the shaping could be a little better. But I can't even say I did my best, you guys. I eventually just said I give up. They look the way they look. I'm okay with it. The idea is still here, and I think they look fine. So they're not, I feel like maybe I should have done this idea on myself because they would have looked better. It's easier to shape my nails than to shape the tips. I find the tips to be difficult. So here we are, we're gonna top coat, and you can see my shaping is a couple of places it's a little off, but it's okay. It's okay. We're transcending today. We're transcending. So, because I'm gonna make some shorts out of these for some other platforms, I did the top coating like this. So, forgive my extra dramatic flair with this today. But I hope you like it. I hope you like it. The top coat really brings it to life, right? Look at how pretty that is. I love these glitters. I love how they look with the Fimo fruits. I actually, you know how when you're on TikTok, if you accidentally touch anything, you can lose the video you were watching, never to find it again? I saw somebody do something similar to this, and that's where I got this idea. I really want to credit that creator. So if you see a video where somebody's doing basically this, let me know who that is so that I can give them credit on this video, because I did get the idea from another creator, and they didn't do exactly what I always put my own little twist on things, but it is the basic idea is the same. So guys, these are the finished nails. Even with the wonky shaping, I really, really like them a lot. I think they're super gorgeous. I hope you agree. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a good Labor Day and that you celebrated yourself, because we both know corporate America doesn't celebrate you. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.